Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about concept of zero. So let's start with that. Zero means nothing or none. Zero का मतलब होता है कुछ भी नहीं. We write zero like this. O, zero, okay? Example number 1. There are 3 parrots on a tree. एक tree में 3 parrots है, okay? Like this. The 3 parrots fly away. और उसमें से 3 उड़ गए. Like that. How many parrots are there on the tree now? अब कितने बचे? Clearly none. कुछ भी नहीं बचे. So 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. That means none. We write none as 0 and call it ZERO, 0. Thus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. Okay beta? I hope you understood. Now example number 2. There are 2 mangoes in the basket. Basket में 2 mangoes हैं. Rohan and Neha at 1 mango each. दोनों ने एक एक खा लिया है. Now there are no mangoes in the basket. अब basket में कुछ भी mango नहीं बचे. Okay? So this is the concept of zero. Okay? I hope you understood. So now move on next one. Testing time 5.1. Filling the placeholders. Okay? So first one is given 2 minus 2. You have 2 and you have to subtract 2 from them. So clearly we have nothing. हमारे पास कुछ भी नहीं बचा. So write it 0 over here. Okay? Similarly 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is nothing. Nothing means 0. And third one is 3 minus how many numbers is equal to 0. 3 में से आप क्या माइनस करोगे? Then your answer is 0. Obviously, अगर हम 3 में से 3 ही माइनस कर देंगे, then we will get nothing. Okay? I hope you understood. So now next one is addition property of 0. Okay beta? So start. 0 represents nothing. 0 का मतलब होता है कुछ भी नहीं. So when we add 0 to a number, we add nothing and the number remains the same. Okay? अगर हम किसी भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करते हैं, then answer is same. Okay? So example number 1. There are no parrots on a tree. पेड़ में कोई भी parrots नहीं है. 2 parrots come and sit on the tree. So पहले कुछ भी नहीं है, फिर 2 tree उसमें आ जाते हैं. How many parrots are there on the tree now? अब पेड़ में कितने parrots हो गए? Clearly 2. 2 हो गए वहाँ पर. So 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Similarly 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 0 को 2 से करेंगे या 2 को 0 से करेंगे, then answer is same. Remember, when we add any number to 0, we get the same number. When we add 0 to a number, we get the same number. Okay? So this is very important. Just do practice. Study the following. Okay beta? So here it is given 3 dogs plus 0 dogs. So 3 dogs plus 0 dogs is equal to 3 dogs. So 3 dogs में 0 dogs means nothing add करेंगे तो 3 का 3 ही रहेगा. Okay, I hope you understood. So similarly 0 rabbits plus 4 rabbits is equal to 4 rabbits. Okay, I hope you understood the concept of that one. So now testing time 5.2. Fill in the placeholders. So 2 plus 0, 0 has no value. So 2 का 2 ही आएगा यहाँ पर. Similarly 0 plus 4. So 0 plus 4 का मतलब क्या होता है? 4. Okay? So this is how we have to solve the other one. It's very easy beta. So now move on next topic, which is subtractions property of 0. When we subtract 0 from a number, the number remains the same. किसी भी नंबर्स में से अगर हमें 0 को माइनस करना होगा तो क्या होगा? जो हमारा नंबर होगा वो ही हमारा आंसर होगा. ओके? सो लेट्स सी थ्रू द एग्जाम्पल नंबर 1. अ फ्रूट सेलर बॉट 6 मैंगोजेस, एक फ्रूट सेलर ने 6 मैंगोजेस खरीदे हैं. नन वॉज सोल्ड, कुछ भी नहीं बिके उसके. हाउ मेनी मैंगोजेस आर लेफ्ट विद हिम, तो उसके पास अब कितने रह गए? क्लियरली 6. ओके, सो 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. Similarly, we have 4 minus 0 is equal to 4 and 3 minus 0 is equal to 3 and so on. Okay. So this is the method, or we can say that this is the concept of subtractions property of a 0. So now move on next. Testing time 5.3. Fill in the placeholders. So first one is 6 minus 0. 6 में से आपको 0 minus करना है. So we know that 0 has no value. So 6 remains 6. Okay, like that way. Similarly, 7 minus 0. Again 7 has value but 0 has no value. So 7 में से 0 जाएंगे. So answer is 7. Similarly, 8 minus dash is equal to 0. 8 में से कौन सा नंबर आप माइनस करोगे कि आपका 8 रहेगा? Yes, you're right, 0. So 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Okay, beta. I hope you understood the whole concept of that one. So do all the answers yourselves. Okay. So with this, we ended the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do rest of these exercise yourself.